What's going on, guys? It's Sports on Games here, and today I'm here with a vlog. And there's Evan, and they got pet birds at our grandparents' house. And right now we're just sitting around, not really doing anything, and we're just watching the birds. And they're just flying around, cause yeah. Evan, what do you want to do?
I don't know. We could ride our bikes around town.
Okay, we might do that. And my pop socket's all messed up. Look. See it? Let's go see the doggo. Doggo.
Dado.
Doggo. Hi, Indio. Her name is
That's my dad.
Doggo. The doggo, her name is Indy.
It's a her.
It's a her, right?
Also, the birds are gay.
It's a doggo. So right now, we're gonna go ride bikes, I guess. What time are they gonna be back though? It's like 2.
It's 11:17.
Oh no, I saw that clock in there and I was like, oh shoot.
Oh, okay.
What time? They're probably gonna be back around like 12. Okay. Yeah, because they left at 9.
Yeah, but they had to go to the dentist and then they had to go to Home Depot after. The dentist probably took like 2 hours.
Basketball. Fade away, one-hander. I missed. There goes the ballo. Howso. Yeah, and today I was going to do a basketball vid, but my stuff got corrupted and everything got messed up. So now I'm doing a vlog with E-Dog. Just kidding, Evan. Wait, is there a scooter? Because I'd rather ride a scooter. Yeah. Rather ride a ski scooter. Why? Oh. Guess I have to ride a bike then. Oh, it's hot in here. Not as hot as me though. Let's get the bike. Let's get it out. Ugh. Why is there, Evan? Why is there duct tape on it? The bike. Let's try to get out of here. There's one more there. In there. Just try to get out of here. Oh, we out here now. Hold up. Evan, come here. Evan, come here.
Have you vlogged before?
No. Yeah, but come here. I need you to help me.
Why?
I need you to vlog.
Why?
Because this seat is so low. It's like 8. I'm just kidding. But I don't know how to raise it.
Guys, double vlog. Double vlog. Vlogception.
It's so small, and I can't ride like this.
Oh.
Like this.
Yeah, you probably want to stand up though. Here you go. You'll be fine. Alright.
So this bike is so bad.
Out to the road and I'll start
Oh shoot.
this up again when we're out on the road.
I'm just vlogging on YouTube.
You should like not start vlogging. I'll start vlogging again. Something interesting. I don't want to like sit down and hold it like that.
I just hit a giant hole. There's Evan right there. No. You know that hole back there? I almost fell on that. Got the Kobe's on.
Alright, so we're out.
Let's got them on. I don't feel safe.
Go fast.
Let's go. I've almost dropped my phone, aka my camera, so many times from this small bike. Now we're going through a parking lot. I don't know which one, but I get it. Am I heading backwards? Because I can't see the bill. It's on right, it's on forward. Back towards the house, I guess. I mean, I would like to, but I don't know how.
We're gonna go race the seat up real quick, then we'll be right back out. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Alright. So it's about to get lit vlog. It's gotta take all this stuff before they get back.
Hold on, wait. Okay, we off. Right now we're about to go try to raise the seat up on this bike so I can actually ride it. Because the seat on it is so low, it's so hard to ride. Here we are back at the house. Ugh. Trying to bike uphill is not so fun, but here we are. We're back at the house, and
We're gonna try and raise this bike seat up.
we might try to raise the bike seat up if we can, and I might just end the vlog here.
Go!
Well,
Give your subscribers what they want. Some more.
it's already a 9-minute video.
Really?
Yeah.
Freaking cut.
So right now, I guess I'm gonna say goodbye for today. Like and subscribe if you're new, and goodbye.